In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a deposit in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now, there's actually two ways to do this. The first one is using the banking menu. So you want to go to banking up top and you want to click on here where it says make deposits. Then you want to go and select previous or next over here to actually find a deposit. So for example, let's say it was this one over here. And then to actually delete it, you want to simply click on the line over here like this. For example, go to edit top left and click on delete deposit. Then you want to click on OK, and that deposit is going to get deleted, okay? So that's the first way to actually do this. The second one is using the bank or the account register. So go to banking and click on use register up top. In here, you can, of course, locate your bank, of course, select the bank account, and you can locate whatever you want to delete. So, for example, I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to double click, and whenever you double click on a specific one like that, it's going to basically open it up like this, and you want to click on this delete button up top. Of course, make sure it's actually a deposit, and then whenever you do that, you'll be able to confirm it and delete it that way, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.